In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a logo in Photopea. To get started, open Photopea and create a new project by clicking on the New Project option. Choose a canvas size that fits your needs. For this example, I will select a larger canvas so we have enough space to design comfortably, and later we can remove the background to make the logo transparent. Once your project is open, you can decide what type of logo you want to create. It could be a text-based logo, a shape-based logo, or a combination of text and graphics. If you already have graphics or icons that you want to include, click on File at the top left corner, then choose Open and Place to import them into your project. You can resize and position them however you like. If you do not have any graphics, you can easily create a logo using text alone. Select the Type tool from the left toolbar and click anywhere on your canvas to start typing your logo name. After typing, double-click the text to select it, and from the top options bar, adjust the font size, alignment, and other text settings. You can press Enter to split the text into multiple lines if needed. On the right side, you can use the character and paragraph panels to refine the font style, spacing, structure, and alignment until it looks exactly how you want. Next, you may want to add a background behind your text. Select the Shape tool from the left side. If another shape is visible, right-click it and choose Rectangle. Click and drag on the canvas to create a background shape. You can round the corners by adjusting the corner controls. From the top bar, change the fill color to any color you prefer. Then, in the Layers panel on the right, drag the shape layer below your text layer. If your text becomes hard to see, select the text layer, highlight the text, and change its color from the top menu so it contrasts clearly with the background. To enhance your logo, right-click the text layer and choose Blending Options. Here you can add effects such as shadow, glow, or a 3D appearance. For example, you can apply a 3D effect, adjust the color, set the opacity to 100%, and modify the distance, depth, and angle to create a more dynamic look. You can also slightly darken the inner areas for added depth. Once you are satisfied, click OK. When your design is complete, remove the background layer by right-clicking it and selecting Delete so the area behind your logo becomes transparent. Finally, click File, hover over Export As, choose your preferred format such as PNG, and save your file. And this is how you can make a logo in Photopea.